Where is AXLA going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on XLA Health INC? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all in under 2 minutes. Okay, and to do all of this, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously gotten me 400 wins in the last 3 to 400 wins in the last 7 months. So to do this, I'm going to follow the strategy that I've just showed you and follow the rules. By the way, if you're not using a strategy, you're basically gambling and you're going to always be a part of the 95% of people that are losing money because you're not going to be profitable because you don't know what you're doing. You need to follow a strategy. I'm following mine and from my previous expertise, 12,000 videos and hundreds of wins. Common pattern reoccurring is following the trend. This one thing has just helped me tremendously, right? With that in mind, the trend is very bearish on AXL. I mean, you can draw trend lines, which you don't have to, right? It's not the way to go about it. But if the price, because it broke structure here, let's go check out the 2 week. Today we're quite crazy, like 300% up, right? Crazy, crazy amount. Let's check out 2 weeks. If the price starts to break above this high, I am going to consider bullish moves. For right now, this for me is still a bearish trend, bearish range that we're in at the moment. So if I see the confirmations happening right here, the idea is bearish downside moves, but only if we see the confirmations. Was the confirmation a lower time frame shift? So let me know what is your opinion on AXLA and have a wonderful day. Before we get lost, check out the first link in the description. It's 100% free course, a strategy you can be confident in and rely into. Free.